Hello, plonkers, Daft Scots last here, and today I thought I'd just give you a wee vlog instead of a vlog. Well, I'm going to do both, so how cool is that? Um, yeah, I just wanted to do a short vlog to say congratulations to Aaron being the Caption My Freaky Photo winner, number 6. It seems to be something that puts a regular smile on my face these days, so I'm going to be doing it as a regular thing every Tuesday. So be sure to come back on Tuesday for the new Caption My Freaky Photo competition, and keep me smiling, because not only do the readers enjoy it, but I'm thoroughly enjoying it. So just come back and leave a comment and caption my photo. Yeah, what else can I tell you? Oh, doctor's booked me off sick the last 2 days, so I've been at home. He booked me off for some serious R&R. I think I've just been overdoing it in the stress department at work, trying to juggle too many things at the same time. So I'm going to have a chillax weekend and don't do what I did last week. Keep the cap on the whiskey bottle and don't drink it all, because it really makes you feel like fucking shit. So maybe that's why I'm ill. I actually just realised that. But that would be a week later. I don't think my liver would take that long to recover. Anyway, just had a brain fart there. Anyway, have a great weekend. Congratulations again to Aaron. Be sure to come back on Tuesday and leave your comments. Have an awesome weekend, guys. Bye.
Stick around.